Vulpine. Like a fox. He showed his vulpine grin. Premise. A statement, or an idea that forms the basis for a reasonable line of argument. The argument rests on a false premise. Demise. The end, or failure of an institution, an idea, a company, etc. He praised the Union's aims, but predicted its early demise. Megalomania. A strong feeling that you want to have more and more power. His bad personality is due to megalomania. Asinine. Stupid or silly. Her asinine excuse seemed ridiculous. Surfeit. An amount that is too large. Indigestion can be brought on by a surfeit of fatty food. Reputable. Having a good reputation. The car salesman was a reputable dealer. Oblique. Not expressed, or done in a direct way. She made an oblique reference to her ex-boyfriend. Jeopardize. To risk harming, or destroying something, or somebody. He would never do anything to jeopardize his career. Impudence. Rude behavior. I've had enough of your impudence.